Problem. Dear students, we shall pass on to problem number 12 today. What is there? Just to open the book and see what is given in the book. It is very important. From the following particulars, prepare bills receivable amount and compute the bills received from the debtors. And compute the bills received from the debtors. So what we will have to see the format of bills receivable. We should know what is the format of bills receivable. To know that there are certain items which we should see now. I shall write and explain it now. Bills receivable account. To balance brought down, this balance brought down is written under the bills receivable account. So this is the amount of bills receivable at the beginning of the year. This is opening balance. And the next item is to sundry debtors account. Sundry debtors account. This is bills receivable received. Bills receivable received during the year. Then on the credit side, by cash, bar bank, account, bills receivable honored. Receivable honored. Then the next item will be by sundry debtors. Sundry debtors. This is bills receivable dishonored. Bills receivable dishonored. Bills receivable dishonored. And the last one is by balance carried down. This is the closing balance. This is the format what we are going to use for the problem number 12. Once again, you take the textbook Problem number 12. What are the items given there? Bills receivable at the beginning of the year. This is the format for bills receivable account. Under this account, if there is any brought down, that is opening balance. If there is any carried down, that is closing balance. That is bills receivable available at the beginning of the year and bills receivable available at the end of the year. These are the two items. And in problem number 12, it is given beginning of the year 1,40,000 and bills receivable at the end of the year 2 lakhs. Yes, what else is given? Cash received. Where it is? This is the term there. Cash received, bills receivable received during the year. That is cash received. What we should find? Prepare bills receivable amount and compute the bills receivable received. That is the term used here, what we must find. Okay, we shall see now once again. Cash receivable, that is cash received for bills receivable. That is for bills receivable, cash received is 3,90,000. The terms are very important here. And the last one, bills receivable dishonored. This is honored and the same item given here, sundry debtors, bills receivable dishonored. Okay, what is the amount of dishonored? Bills receivable dishonored is 30,000. Once again, I should repeat it. This is a format new to you, but you should understand the meaning of this. This is the format to prepare the bills receivable account. If suppose you are asked to find the bills receivable account, you should know the format. You should remember the items what are given under it. There are 5 items given under it. We should remember all those 5 items. This side, bills receivable honored. Suppose if the bills are sent to bank, if the bank gives the amount, then the bills receivable are honored. Once the bills receivable are sent to bank, but not amount is paid for that, and in that case, we can say the bills receivables are dishonored. So these are the 2 items given there. This is received, therefore honored. This is not received, therefore dishonored. These are the 2 items. And what are the 2 more items given in the problem? As I said earlier, the bills receivable at the beginning of the year, that is 1,40,000. And the bills receivable at the end of the year, this is given here. So we can find sundry debtors, bills receivable received, we can find, because out of these 5 items, we know the values of 4 items, so we can find the 5th one. Find the total of this. $6,20,000, and write this $6,20,000 here. So what is the balancing figure? That is the sundry debtors, bills receivable received. What is that? 4,80,000. 4,80,000 is the balancing figure. So that will be the bills receivable received, which we are supposed to find for this problem given.